Tonight, 2 deaths and a deadly gunfire shooting by police are bringing mental health to the forefront in the Black community.
We want to show you a photo of 11-year-old Mackenzie. DeKalb County police say she was killed last night in Stone Mountain in what appears to be a murder-suicide. Police say her mother also took her own life. Just hours before, DeKalb County officers responded to a separate call from a mother who said her son was threatening to harm himself.
And when police got there, things escalated and the 23-year-old was shot. 11 Live's Angelina Salcedo following these stories tonight. So, Angelina, you spoke with healthcare professionals, and they said that this, unfortunately, is part of a trend, right?
And that's because what they're seeing is a rise in the number of suicide attempts and suicides in the Black community. It has grown over the last several years. These professionals are just two of many trying to stop it, but they say they need your help.
So important that all communities, but especially communities of color, are talking about mental health and mental illness.
But for years, they haven't.
The stigma is lessening, even though it is still very much present. But specifically when it comes to men, there's still a lot of blockage.
Justin D. Bowles and Laura Morse, both licensed professional counselors in the state of Georgia. They know the Black population struggles all too well.
2022, the CDC was able to calculate that almost 50,000 people had died by suicide.
Sunday morning, a Black 23-year-old man was left hospitalized by DeKalb police after threatening to harm himself with a shotgun to his head. When he walked towards police and pointed the gun at them, 2 officers fired.
Cases always kind of break my heart, feeling like they can't get any help. That person would respond in a very erratic type of way, and that leads to an officer doing what he's been trained to do.
The second case in DeKalb just a few hours later. Police say 11-year-old Mackenzie B. was taken from the world too soon. Her mother also ended her own life.
She makes a permanent decision to what could have been a temporary problem. But the way mental health plays into this is if she's been dealing with this for a very long time, she doesn't see it as a temporary problem at all.
In both cases, the lives are more than statistics. That's why professionals say more conversations will help.
Finding words or language to even identify an issue is one step in a positive direction.
Now, Justin is asking everyone to have more open conversations and to try and prevent a rise in crime and suicides. He is a part of a network of Black male counselors in and around Atlanta that help give care to those in their community. If you or someone you know is struggling, he says it's all a matter of finding the resources that work for you. In the studio, Angelina Salcedo, 11 Alive News.